Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach an email as an attachment in another email. So yeah, before that, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that like button. So let's get started. So here I have my Outlook opened. Suppose say you want to attach this mail as an attachment in a separate mail. So all you have to do is right click on the mail which you want to attach as an attachment. So right click on this mail and say copy, which will create a copy somewhere locally, and then open the folder where you want to paste that email. So I have opened somewhere in downloads. I just say paste. So now I have a copy of my mail. So whenever, suppose I want to send this email to euphoria@gmail.com. So you can type in the subject whatever you want. So to attach that mail, what you can do is you can click on this option here and say browse this PC, and you can go to downloads. You can select the message, the the attachment which you have saved, or the email which you have saved will be in the .msg format. So make sure that it is in .msg and say insert. This is one way of attaching the email, or there is another way. I will quickly show that as well. I will just remove this attachment. So open the folder where you have saved or copied the email. So anyways, you have this window open. You just align it and click on that, drag and drop the mail. So yeah, you have the mail attached to another mail. You can just type whatever you want and just send. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.